Scion Automobile Troubleshooting. If you're looking for help fixing your Scion automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Scion Automobile Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. The tires are wearing unevenly. A certain amount of wear over time is normal, but if you find that the tires wear down quickly, this indicates a potential problem. If there is vibration through the steering wheel or you find that your tires are wearing unevenly, you should ask someone to check the vehicle. It could be that the suspension needs alignment. In addition, sometimes tire problems are caused by external factors or by defects in manufacture. The tires are flat. A tire will obviously be flat if it is punctured, but it can also be caused by normal wear and tear. Keeping the tires rotated in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions can help extend their life. The best practice is to rotate the tires when you change your engine oil or every 5,000 miles. A warning light shows. Warning lights appear when one of the sensors detects an error and highlights it to the engine control unit. There are around 200 warning codes, so you will need to take this to a professional who can then check the system. Find out the source of the warning and carry out the necessary repairs. There are fuel leaks through evaporation. Fuel is sensitive to temperature, and when it is hot the fuel will expand. This means that there has to be some way of venting the fumes. Since the fumes are toxic, modern cars are fitted with equipment to stop that toxicity from reaching the outside. The main problem you get with this is leaking through evaporation. Most problems happen with the fuel cap, and it is easy and cheap to replace these regularly. However, if you see a warning light, never ignore it. If you end up with a failure in the catalytic converter, the repairs could be costly. There are cracks in the windscreen. Usually, it takes some kind of external force like a stone to crack a windscreen, but there are some cars that are prone to damage because of factory production vulnerabilities. Although a small crack might not seem like a big deal, it can spread rapidly and compromise the integrity of the glass. The steering wheel is shaking. There are a number of reasons why a steering wheel shakes when driving a vehicle. Damaged suspension components or wheel bearings are usually to blame if this happens immediately after you start the car and pull away. If the wheel shakes at higher speeds, it is more often an issue with tire wheel balance. To resolve this, you will need to take the car for a proper mechanical inspection. It could be as simple a fix as getting your wheels aligned. The car gives out excessive emissions. The emission system is designed to keep pollution to a minimum while making sure your car runs properly. The system includes a lot of sensitive equipment that can fail from time to time, and these cause a variety of different problems in the car. For example, an O2 sensor that is faulty may start affecting the fuel mixture, leading to inefficiencies in the running and economy of the vehicle. The brake pads are worn. Brakes will naturally wear down with use, so it is vital that you keep on top of maintenance and make sure any problem is resolved long before the brakes fail. Sometimes factory defects mean that brake pads and rotors wear out more quickly than they would normally. Source: servicingmaster.co.uk